PeacockTV.com, PeacockTV Login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can go ahead and then basically log into PeacockTV.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into PeacockTV.com, you can actually use the Peacock TV app as well if that is what you're looking for, or you can open up your browser, and then once you've done that, you're going to see this type of interface. Now if you have not yet created an account, you can tap on the pick a plan option, but if you already have an account, you can tap on the sign in option from the top right hand side. Make sure to enter your email and then your password, then just tap on the sign in option, and then you'll be signed into your Peacock TV account. This way you'll be able to log into Peacock TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.